How to take beautiful pictures with backlight from a small window. In this video, I'll show you how to take beautiful pictures of women in a room with a small window. This is a small room in a half basement, but even in such a place, you can take beautiful pictures depending on your ingenuity. Since it is in basement, the window is at an upper height. First, let's take a picture with the windows in backlit and without exposure compensation. The entire room is dark, so the result was very dark underexposed photo. Then I adjust exposure to the person and set exposure compensation to about +2. The brightness of the highlights is just right, but shadows are dark. I also feel that there is too much flare in the highlights. To make the shadows a little brighter, I place a white reflector board and reflect the natural light from the window onto the subject. The shadows are now brighter and the image looks okay. Normally this is okay, but I would like to add a strobe as well. I use a Godox 8200 strobe. If I use a strobe directly on the subject, it will ruin this beautiful image. So to match the direction and quality of light, I bounce the strobe off the white wall below the window on the far left. By bouncing the strobe under the window, it creates the effect of enlarging the area of a small window. Now let's take a shot. The light is a little bit on the upper side, but it is beautiful. If you want to make the shadows a little brighter, you can bounce the strobe like this to increase the area of light in a small window, creating a soft light. Also, since it is a strobe, you can control the brightness. The key point is to use the light from a small window to create a backlit effect. And by turning the light from a small window into a large light, you can create a beautiful light. Please give it a try, everyone.